Hi, this is Ivy with WTI, and are you looking for an air freshener with a distinct, unique smell? Then look no further. This air freshener is a great way for you to elevate your home's ambiance while still masking and eliminating all odors. Because of that, I love to use this in my bedroom, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, or anywhere else where I may see fit. And I feel completely safe to do that because this product is a natural propellant. It has a water-based formula and corn-derived odor eliminators. All of that basically means that this product is free of dyes, of flammable propellants, or anything else that could be harmful. So I feel comfortable to use this in my home and in a space where my family members and I share, as well as our pets. Not to mention that this also smells delicious. It's a unique smell thanks to the combination of waterlily, hinoki, and ginger. I absolutely love this air freshener. I love how it just freshens up the ambiance in my home, and it's by far one of my favorite scents out of the Febreze air collection. But that is just my point of view.